This is what makes SoFi the one app where all your finances are just a tap away. From automated investing and active investing portfolios to integrated checking and savings accounts, whether you're a beginner, a hands-off investor, or a more active investor, SoFi's user-friendly interface offers something for everyone. It's simple, straightforward, and lets anyone get started investing in the stock market with just $1. But is SoFi the right investing app for you? Let's dive in. So what is SoFi? Well, the SoFi app is a feature-packed financial platform where you can invest, bank, and save all under one roof. Through a single dashboard, you can connect all your accounts, monitor your credit score, and even manage your budget. The app is straightforward and user-friendly, making it an ideal choice for beginners, but it also provides the tools and features necessary that even more experienced investors can appreciate. SoFi Invest offers automated portfolios, fractional shares, and lets you get started buying stocks with as little as $1. The app is really designed to be a one-stop shop, providing you with a wide range of services and resources to help you get your money right. So how does SoFi Invest work? Well, SoFi Invest is the investment platform inside the SoFi app that caters to both active and passive investors, offering a range of services, including commission-free trading of stocks, exchange-traded funds or ETFs, and options. And the app mainly provides two main types of investing: active investing and automated investing. SoFi's active investing accounts allow you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and options without paying any commissions, while SoFi's automated investing accounts is their robo-advisor service where the app builds a portfolio of low-cost ETFs for you based on your personal risk tolerance and time horizon. Plus, their automated investing portfolios are also free of any advisory fees. So let's dive into some of the best features of SoFi Invest, and the first would be their commission-free trading. With commission-free trading in thousands of stocks, ETFs, and options, it makes SoFi a pretty cost-effective choice for active traders and investors. Another beneficial feature are fractional shares. The app supports fractional shares, allowing you to buy a portion of a stock for as little as $1, and this feature really makes it possible for anyone to own shares in companies that otherwise might be too expensive to buy a full share. And for more hands-off investors, you also have to appreciate the app's robo-advisor service, because with their automated investing portfolios, this really helps take the guesswork out of picking stocks by letting SoFi build and manage a portfolio for you based on your financial goals and your risk tolerance. Another interesting feature with SoFi Invest is access to IPOs. They offer unique access to initial public offerings before they're traded on public markets, which is typically something usually reserved only for institutional investors. The app also has a user-friendly interface, so whether you're investing, banking, or just managing your money, the app is simple to navigate and find what you need from the home dashboard. And as far as research and data, while its research capabilities might not be as extensive as some other trading platforms, SoFi Invest does provide historical data, stock performance information, and real-time quotes and performance tracking. Another beneficial feature for SoFi users is their automatic rebalancing. SoFi Invest automatically rebalances your portfolio to maintain your target asset allocation, and this occurs every time money enters or leaves your account, ensuring your investment strategy stays on track. Plus, with automatic contributions, you can set up automatic transfers and contributions to your SoFi portfolios, which can help in building your savings consistency over time. Now let's talk about SoFi Money, because the SoFi app also offers several useful features outside of investing that are designed to help you manage your finances more effectively. The first is SoFi Relay. So with SoFi Relay, this feature tracks all of your money in one place, providing you credit score monitoring and financial insights at no extra cost. It allows you to connect both your SoFi accounts and your external accounts, giving you a more complete overview of your financial health. And for budgeting and money tracking, the SoFi app also includes tools for budgeting and tracking your money, helping you to manage your finances more efficiently. Plus, SoFi also offers checking and savings accounts with competitive interest rates, and these accounts are actually integrated into the same SoFi app, allowing you to manage your day-to-day finances alongside your investments in a single place. Now, another savings feature on SoFi are their dedicated savings vaults, and these are specific savings accounts SoFi lets you set up for different goals, such as saving for a vacation or for purchasing a home. This feature can really help you more effectively by separating your dedicated savings accounts from your regular checking accounts. And for those who may need guidance, SoFi also offers unlimited access to certified financial planners at no extra cost. So if you ever need guidance, their financial advisors can provide you with personalized advice to help you along the way. And then you have SoFi Points. This is SoFi's member rewards program where you can earn points by completing tasks in the SoFi app. These points can then be redeemed for rewards, such as free stocks in your favorite companies right back in your SoFi portfolio. So let's talk about the user experience, because SoFi provides you with an easy-to-navigate mobile app and desktop interface. So whether you're on iOS or Android, SoFi focuses on simplicity, making their platform suitable for investors of all skill levels. The app has a clean, intuitive interface, and you'll never find yourself more than a click away from all your essential information. Now let's talk about the types of investments available on SoFi Invest, because they offer several different options. The first is stocks. Again, you have access to buying and selling thousands of individual stocks on the platform, as well as exchange-traded funds or ETFs. SoFi offers a wide range of low-cost ETFs, which are diversified investment funds also traded on stock exchanges. The platform also allows for options trading, which involves buying and selling options contracts on the direction of stock prices. SoFi Invest also supports the purchase of fractional shares, enabling you to invest in stocks with as little as $1, which is particularly useful for buying shares of companies with higher stock prices. Plus, with automated investing, their robo-advisor service provides automated investing services where the platform builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you based on your personal risk tolerance. Now, while you can no longer invest in crypto directly on SoFi, they do offer you access to the crypto space through Bitcoin ETFs. So let's talk about the minimum investment required to get started with SoFi. So this will actually vary depending on the type of account you're interested in opening. So the minimum deposit to open an account with SoFi Invest is actually $0, which means you can open an account without immediately funding it. The difference is, for their automated investing account, you only need $1 to get started. But for their active investing portfolios, you need to fund your account with at least $10 within 30 days of opening the account. So whether you're interested in their automated portfolios or you prefer picking your own stocks, SoFi's low minimum investment helps make the stock market accessible to a wide range of investors. Speaking of investing, if you'd like to try SoFi, I do have referral links below with sign-up bonuses for SoFi and all my favorite investing apps at my personal website, investingapps.com. Now, SoFi offers a variety of different types of accounts that all integrate with each other. The first is their investment accounts, and SoFi offers both individual and joint investment accounts where you can buy and sell stocks and ETFs. These accounts, again, can be managed actively by you or passively through SoFi's automated investing service. And for mobile banking, SoFi offers a combined checking and savings account called SoFi Checking and Savings. This account offers competitive APY interest rates, no account fees, and even access to a large network of ATMs. And for saving for retirement, SoFi offers traditional IRA, Roth IRA, and SEP IRA retirement accounts as part of its investment options. Just like their individual investment accounts, SoFi's retirement accounts can also be managed actively or passively. And in addition to investing in banking, SoFi also offers personal loans, student loans, and mortgages, which can all be applied for online through the app or on their website. SoFi's personal loans are actually unsecured loans that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as debt consolidation, medical bills, home improvement, and even family vacations. SoFi student loans are private loans that can cover up to 100% of school-certified costs, including things such as tuition, books, room and board, and even transportation. And for those interested in buying a home, SoFi's mortgage loans offer flexible term options and down payments as low as 3%. So is SoFi safe? Well, yes. As a member of the SIPC, or the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SoFi is SIPC insured against brokerage failure. Securities in your accounts are protected up to $500,000, including up to $250,000 for cash. SIPC insurance is investor protection for investment brokerages. SoFi bank deposits are also FDIC insured as well. Now let's talk about pricing and plans, because while many robo-advisors charge a monthly fee or a percentage-based fee, there's no monthly or annual fee for using the SoFi platform. Again, SoFi's active investing platform allows for commission-free trading of stocks, ETFs, and options, and their automated investing service is also provided without any advisory fees. So whether you're just starting to invest or you're looking to cut down on your monthly costs from your bank or brokerage, SoFi has got you covered. Now let's talk about SoFi Plus. SoFi Plus is a free premium membership offered by SoFi that provides you with access to enhanced interest rates on your checking and savings accounts and also discounted personal loan rates. To unlock SoFi Plus at no extra cost, you need to set up direct deposit to your SoFi checking and savings account. Other benefits also include earning double reward points on qualifying activities and welcome offers like 3% cashback on eligible SoFi credit card purchases. So let's talk about that SoFi credit card. The SoFi credit card offers unlimited 2% cashback on all your purchases when the points are redeemed towards your SoFi Investing or your SoFi Money accounts, or even toward paying down an eligible SoFi loan. You can also earn unlimited 3% cashback on all travel booked with SoFi Travel. The SoFi credit card essentially rewards you for paying off your balance in full each month, and it has 0 annual fees. So let's break down the pros and cons of the SoFi Invest app. The first pro would definitely be convenience. The app is user-friendly and feature-packed with a variety of financial services all in one place, again including investing, banking, and lending. The second pro would be that SoFi is flexible for all investors. Whether you're a hands-off investor or a more active investor, SoFi offers you automated portfolios, commission-free trading, and low account minimums. And thirdly, with access to IPOs, SoFi provides access to initial public offerings, a feature not found in all investment apps. And the last pro would be SoFi's certified financial planners, because again, SoFi offers access to certified financial planners at no additional charge for its users. Now on to the con side, the first con would be SoFi's basic charts. While the charts provided by SoFi are more than adequate enough for more hands-off and passive investors, they may not meet the needs of more advanced traders. The second con would be SoFi's limited research tools. While SoFi's research tools are simple to understand, they may not be sufficient for more advanced investors. And the third con would be no tax loss harvesting. SoFi does not offer tax loss harvesting, a feature offered by some robo-advisors that can help reduce taxes owed on your investment gains. So at the end of the day, who is SoFi Invest actually ideal for? I would say for beginner investors, SoFi's app and website are user-friendly and designed to be accessible, making them a good fit for those new to investing or who are just starting to build their portfolios. Also, for hands-off investors, SoFi's automated investing portfolios are perfect for investors who prefer more of a robo-advisor approach to managing their investments. Again, this service completely manages a portfolio for you based on your personal risk tolerance and time horizon, all without charging any advisory fees. And lastly, for investors needing financial planning guidance, SoFi offers unlimited access to a team of certified financial planners, which can be a valuable resource if you ever need professional guidance on your investment strategies. Now, if you would like to try SoFi, I do have referral links below with sign-up bonuses for SoFi, along with all my favorite investing apps at my personal website, investingapps.com. From my years of testing several investing apps, SoFi is one of the most user-friendly for investing in stocks and ETFs. If you'd like to see how SoFi compares to these other top investment brokerages, check out this video right here where I compare some of the top investing apps with SoFi. And if you'd like to learn how to get started with SoFi, check out my SoFi tutorial for beginners right here. I'll show you how to set up your SoFi account, navigate your portfolio, and how to take advantage of all their investing automation features.